to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP. I wasn't really sure what to call this meal, but I'm saying it's going to be a sweet and savoury chicken tray bake. Let's just get on with it. It's a really good meal. I just had the camera going and this works out magnificent. Right, one whole chicken. Nice and inexpensive. It's the cheapest way to buy chicken, full stop. You can buy these for under $5 a kilo quite easily. I'm simply just going to remove the Marylands and remove the breasts from this chicken. So just run your knife down through those hip joints, for a better word, and you'll end up with your two Marylands. Quite nice and easy. Put your knife straight down either side of the cartilage that runs down through the breastbone, and just work your knife along the lines of the ribs, and before you know it, you'll have a nice breast. And if you're lucky enough and do it nice and carefully enough, you'll actually have a wing attached as well. Just the perfect little cut. Right, all of that carcass, that's going to go straight into a pot. I'm going to make chicken stock out of that. Nice amount of salt straight on top, a few peppercorns, and simply just put some nice cold water over the top. Put that onto your sauce or onto your hot plate and cook that nice and slow for as long as you want. Alright, in the meantime, I'm going to cheat. I'm using a bit of a micelle. It's a vegetarian based chicken stock. It tastes exactly like chicken stock and works great. I'm going to add in around about a clove of garlic, a dash of apple cider vinegar, that can go in, and a good glug. I'm talking around about a third of a cup's worth of maple syrup. Give that a little bit of a stir. This is going to end up being our cooking liquid. Right, salt up your chicken pieces, just like I'm doing right there, and give it a bit more seasoning with a bit of white, maybe a little bit of black pepper if you want. White pepper on the chicken, it works out well. I'm going to add in just a little bit of allspice straight over the top. Gives us a little bit of a Jamaican type feel. Okay, very simple. A little bit of turmeric, and turmeric does clog up sometimes in these little spice jars. Just give that a real light dusting of that turmeric straight over the top, skin side up. I'm going to quickly brown this off very, very briefly, and I'm talking for around about 3, maybe 4 minutes. Just want to get some colour on that skin of the Marylands and the breasts. Again, season the other side as well, exactly the same as you did beforehand. So your white, your black peppers, your salt, and you can add your turmeric as well if you like, a little bit of allspice. And the higher you shake your spices, the easier they'll actually distribute across the skin. Look at that beautiful yellow colour from the turmeric. Put that straight into a roasting tray, just like that. There's our breasts, they're done. We're going to do the same now with our Marylands. Just give those a good kiss of heat. As I said, around about 3, 4, maybe 5 minutes on the legs, so they can actually handle a little bit more heat. So just season those up, put those all into the pan. Here I've got a brown onion, I've just quartered that. I've got some carrot, it's around about 2 or 3 carrots which I have quartered as well, and I've got some potato that I've cut into wedges that go straight in. I'm going to add in a leftover pear from one of our previous recipes that we have already done, and it's going to add a real nice sweetness. Add that beautiful sweet stock mixture to everything in that pan, and we've got our oven already sitting at 180 degrees Celsius or centigrade, and that's going to go in for around about an hour. Right, just check it from time to time. Hour later, just cover it with foil, let it sit, let it relax, let it do its thing. Right, leave it for around about 10, maybe 15 minutes. It will stay hot, especially in one of these ceramic style pots or baking dishes. And as you can see, we've still got bubblage, we've still got everything happening there. All we have to do now is serve that up. You can serve that up in whatever you like, whether it be a plate or bowl like I'm doing here, whatever you like. So good. One whole meal, all in one pan, not a lot of mess at all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, well, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn new ideas, easy ideas, no fuss ideas just like this. Well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I've already eaten this sweet roast chicken bake. I know it tastes good, and I'll like you see you do the same. Alright, hit that subscribe button. You'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'll catch you next time. Bye!